Guys, let's go to a flea market here in Seoul, South Korea. We're gonna go to Dongmyo Flea Market to look for the $10 Watchman. I saw it in TikTok and I badly want a vintage watch. So let's go there. We're just gonna take the bus today. I have been walking for like 5 minutes already. The Dongmyo Flea Market is so big, as in, and then may sinundan akong isang crowd, and then sabi ko kasi follow the crowd. So fumalo ako sa crowd. Pagdating ko doon, sis, nadala ako sa parking lot. So eto ngayon, I'm looking for the Watchman. It's actually in this street daw. Medyo malayo siya dun sa mismong Dongmyo Flea Market, pero nandito daw sa area yun. There are vinyls. Okay guys, it's this stall. It has so many vintage watch.
Yeah.
Pero hindi siya branded guys ha. Like super nice lang yung style and yung quality kahit na parang flea market siya. May mga gas-gas like that. And then ito yung mga usual brands. This one is kinda unique.
Clear.
Okay, I ended up not getting anything because the tindero is kinda masungit. Like parang ayaw niya akong bumili. So umalis na lang ako kasi wala din naman ako nagustuhan sa items niya. Yes, old items, vintage, pero parang wala namang value yung items for me. Like walang normal brands like Casio, Seiko. Akala ko may mga ganun, wala pala. So let's just head back to the Dongmyo Flea Market and let's look for some bags or clothes. Guys, pag pumunta kayo dito, medyo nakaka-overwhelm. Sobrang daming pwedeng bilhin and sobrang dami mong nakikita. Tapos ang dami pang tao. Maraming tao here, so let's check it out. Actually, they have better pieces here compared dun sa Watchman na pinuntahan ko. They have more options here. Guys, huwag yun ang puntahan yung Watchman na pinuntahan ko kasi malayo siya. Sobrang dami pala dito. Like around Dongmyo Market lang.